Your PC shows the stop code bad system config info and refuses to boot. Here are 10 verified ways to fix it, starting with the easiest. In most cases, you will not need to reinstall Windows. Let's go straight to the fixes.
First, confirm you are looking at the right error. On Windows 10 and most Windows 11 PCs, it is a blue screen with a sad face, a QR code, and the stop code bad system config info. On Windows 11 24 H2 and newer, the same error appears as a plain black screen with just the text and the stop code. Different look, same problem, same fixes.
Here is the plan. 10 methods, ordered from easiest to hardest. Work from the top. After each method, try to boot. The moment Windows starts, you are done. Stop there. Method 4, System Restore, has the highest success rate, and it is the fix Microsoft itself recommends. Almost every fix runs from the Windows recovery environment because your desktop is unreachable. Here is how to get in with no tools. Power on the PC. The moment the Windows logo or spinning dots appear, hold the power button for about 10 seconds to force it off. Do this 3 times in total. On the next start, you will see Preparing Automatic Repair, then Diagnosing your PC. When the Automatic Repair screen appears, click Advanced Options. That takes you to the blue Choose an Option screen. This is your home base. If this trick fails, create a Windows installation USB on another PC, boot from it, and click Repair your computer at the bottom left instead of Install Now.
Method 1. A basic restart plus unplugging new hardware. 2 minutes. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to shut down. Unplug everything that is not essential. USB drives, hubs, printers, external disks. If you recently added RAM or a new drive, remove it. Then power on normally. A one-off bad shutdown or a conflicting new device can trigger this error once without any permanent damage.
Method 2. Startup Repair. It is automatic and completely safe, so it is always worth one attempt. From Choose an Option, click Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Repair. Windows will diagnose the PC. It may ask you to pick your account and enter your password. If the PC reboots into Windows, you are done. If it says Startup Repair couldn't repair your PC, don't worry. That is common with this stop code. Move on to Method 3.
Method 3. Uninstall the latest Windows update. Use this if the blue screen started right after an update. In Advanced Options, click Uninstall Updates. You get 2 choices: Uninstall Latest Quality Update and Uninstall Latest Feature Update. Start with a Quality Update. Click it. Then confirm with the Uninstall Quality Update button. Wait, and the PC restarts on its own. If Windows boots again, pause updates for a week or 2 in Settings under Windows Update.
Method 4. System Restore. This is the fix with the highest success rate, and the one Microsoft officially recommends for a corrupt registry. In Advanced Options, click System Restore. Choose your account and enter your password. When the wizard opens, click Next. You will see a list of restore points with dates. Check the box that says Show More Restore Points to reveal older ones. Pick a point dated before the error started and click Next. Then click Finish. A warning says System Restore cannot be interrupted. Click Yes. Now wait. The PC restores your system files, restarts, and if all goes well, you land on your desktop with a success message. Important. Your personal files are not deleted. Only apps and drivers installed after that restore point are removed. If there are no restore points, this method is unavailable. Move on.
Method 5. The famous 2-command fix. 3 minutes, and harmless even if it does not apply to you. It removes 2 boot values, numproc and truncated memory, which are often left behind by tuning guides or msconfig tweaks. In Advanced Options,
Open Command Prompt. Type the first command exactly as shown and press Enter. Then the second. Each one should answer. The operation completed successfully. If you see element not found instead, that value was never set. That is harmless. Continue. Close the window and click Continue to reboot.
Method 6. Rebuild the boot configuration data. Use this if you cloned a disk, resized partitions, or startup repair failed. Open Command Prompt in the recovery environment. First, bootrec/scanos. It should find your Windows installation. Next, bootrec/fixbar, then bootrec/rebuild bcd. When it asks, add installation to boot list, type Y and press Enter. Now, an important warning that older tutorials get wrong. The command bootrec/fixboot usually answers, access is denied on modern PCs. That is normal on UEFI systems, and you do not need it. If the boot data is still broken, use the safe alternative instead. Type bcdboot, a space, then your Windows drive letter, \Windows. You should see boot files successfully created.
Method 7. Check the disk and repair system files. Before anything else, find your real Windows drive letter. Inside recovery, it is often not C-type bcdedit, then the find OS-device filter, and read the partition letter. Let's say it shows D now run chkdsk on that drive with /F and /R. This scans and repairs the file system. On a hard drive, the R stage can take over an hour, so be patient. Next, run System File Checker with the offline flags pointing at that drive. It repairs corrupt Windows files. Optionally, finish with the dism restore health command. Then reboot and test.
Method 8. Manually restore the registry from the RegBack folder. This is the classic fix for this exact error, but there is a critical modern catch. Since Windows 10 version 1803, Windows no longer fills RegBack by default. The files exist, but they are 0 bytes. Copying empty files makes things worse. So check first. In Command Prompt, list the RegBack folder on your Windows drive. Look at the file sizes. If Depult, SAM, Security, Software, and System all show 0, stop. This method is unavailable on your PC. Skip to Method 9. If the files have real sizes, continue. First, back up the current damaged hives into a new folder. Then rename each damaged hive, adding .old. Finally, copy the 5 files from RegBack into the config folder. Each copy should report 1 file copied. Exit, click Continue, and boot. Your system rolls back to the date of that backup. Later in this video, I will show you how to switch this backup on, so it is ready next time.
Method 9. Hardware and driver diagnosis. Use this when software fixes fail or the error keeps coming back. Part 1, Safe Mode. In Advanced Options, click Startup Settings, then Restart. After the reboot, a numbered list appears. Press 4 for Safe Mode or 5 for Safe Mode with networking. In Safe Mode, open Device Manager and look for yellow warning icons. Update or uninstall any driver you changed recently. Graphics, storage, and chipset drivers first. Also, remove recently installed apps. Part 2, Test your memory. Press Windows and R, type mdst, and press Enter. Choose Restart Now and check for problems. Your PC reboots into a blue test screen and runs 2 passes. If it finds errors, reseat your RAM sticks, test 1 stick at a time, and disable any XMP or Expo overclock profile. Replace the faulty module if needed.
Method 10. The last resort. Reset this PC. Use it only when everything else failed and your hardware tests pass. In the recovery environment, click Troubleshoot, then reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files. It removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. Next, choose Cloud Download if you have internet. It fetches a fresh copy of Windows, which is safer when your disk data is damaged. Confirm, click Reset, and let it run. It takes a while, and restarts several times. If even reset fails, boot from an installation USB, and do a clean install. And a pro tip. Before wiping anything, you can rescue files from the recovery command prompt by opening Notepad and using its File Open dialog as a mini file explorer.
So, why did this happen? Bad system config info stop code 0x74 means Windows could not read its own configuration at boot. Usually, the system registry hive, one critical file got corrupted. The common triggers: a power cut or forced shutdown while Windows was writing the registry, broken boot configuration data after cloning or resizing a disk, a bad update, driver, or malware, disk errors under the registry files, or failing RAM feeding the kernel bad data. Around 80% of cases are software configuration problems. That is exactly why the software fixes came first.
4 habits so this never happens again. 1. Keep system protection on, so restore points exist when you need them. 2. Turn the registry backup on. In an admin command prompt on your working desktop, add the enable periodic backup value shown on screen, then restart. From then on, Windows fills RegBack again. 3. Never force shutdown while updates are installing. And 4. Always back up before cloning disks or resizing partitions.
That is the complete playbook. 10 methods, easiest first. Remember, stop as soon as Windows boots. You do not need to run them all. Follow the steps carefully and back up your files whenever possible. Good luck and enjoy your working PC.